come chat with you later.
You bet you won't need those glasses.
Thank you.
It might clear your eyesight.
Just throwing stuff out.
I'm Randy. I'm the town woodworker.
Hit down.
And Uncle to the bride. And daughter to Mr.
Here we go.
Doc.
Yeah.
Woo! You made some good stuff, Paul.
That must be some strong stuff.
Good stuff, man.
Passing through and somehow got caught up in all this.
Yeah, the daughter. I'm Buckshot Billy. And
That's because he's been shot with us so many times.
Yeah. You gotta get up there.
Yeah.
My name is Cole.
He plays the accused.
Yeah.
You go ahead and go into the
Used to what?
into the inn.
You'll find out.
I'll be wandering out here listening to the gossip.
Yeah, he's gonna be the other one.
Down by the lake.
I'm Mr. Hughes. I live up there on the hill. And I'm the marshal here in town. So Sheriff Marshal.
See, look! He don't even know what he is. I think he's
correct, Law.
I swear.
Boo! I think he's
How'd you become the law? We didn't vote you in.
So, man, this is Mr. Hughes. I'm Miss Hughes.
Yeah, he's got something going on.
So we are the groom's mom and pa. Okay?
How do we get stuck in the sun?
My name is Cody Hughes, and I am the husband.
To be.
I'm Miss Julene, and I head the Temperance Society here in the Shoal Village. I am aunt to the groom-to-be. I am also sister to the sheriff.
Nosy busybody.
Yeah. We are younger.
Ain't you got a house to run?
The younger clan. The great governor of the state of Missouri gave me a pardon of things I might have committed a year ago, so it's all good. But I'm also the local brothel inspector, and I'm brother-in-law to the marshal, the sheriff, the law, and my poor wife, Miss Julene. I love her with all my heart, but shouldn't she be at home making me dinner?
Yeah. Drink to that.
Aunt Betty Stribling. I live in the cabin just down the hill from the
Good tea.
And I'm Miss Hughes' sister. And I'm the aunt of poorly, I think, set up groom-to-be.
Set up room to be.
Poorly set up.
They're blaming him.
I'm right. I'm just a town clerk.
If you guys could raise a boy right.
Calling deputy sheriff.
I'm Scott. I'm a deputy sheriff, and I ain't related to any of them.
Lucky you.
Okay.
So you're going
We have this gentleman over here.
you're coming out of the mercantile.
Well, I guess me and Martha are going to be speaking with each other.
Oh, I told her go in the inn.
You see the paper today, ladies? Ooh. Oh, it's temperance news.
So you need to be up on the porch. You two are
Do we
talking.
need? Yeah, I need. Well, I'm gonna go get
And
me
then
a
you
little
go into
something.
the inn, and then she comes running to me.
Yeah.
Get that done.
So do I just say like, I think I may be with John?
That done.
Like,
You have to say it loud enough for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Demonstration, and one of our deputy sheriffs, deputy sheriffs is going to do that, okay? And then we'll get started.
All right, guys. We
It's some strong stuff.
and,
So much for listening to his wife, huh?
We're shooting blanks today.
Little turkey.
To know that this is not something you go and play with guns. See guns there. Okay? Guns are not toys, they're tools. And we've been trained to use these guns properly and safely. And load them the way we know how to where they are safe. Okay? This is the okay? Everybody knows that compared to our skiing. Right? So what we'll do is we'll shoot this pop can. I've never seen this before. And just to show you what it does to a pop can when we shoot. So you can realize that this is not a trick, okay? It's a real gun. Oh no. Fire in the hole.
Uh-oh.
Good job, Scott.
Nice going, Scott.
Made
You
the
scared-
baby cry.
scared the baby.
Get out of town.
Okay, as you can see, I'm a little bit far away, but it didn't put a hole in it, but you can see what it does. And so, please, kids, if you find a gun, tell your parents, and be safe out there.
Don't touch it.
Let's all have a good day. Thank you.
That's something different from what my
Alrighty, well, Mom, I'm gonna go get something
my aunt's
Okay.
basically.
from the store.
Go get you something from the store.
I will.
Don't forget your cousin. Right?
Need a drink, Dina?
Takes about as much.
Need a drink?
Um,
Not from you.
Here you go, hon.
powder as my muscle.
It's just water.
Whoa.
Oh.
Give her another swig of that. She didn't quite get cleared out.
Well, I said it was water. That ain't no water.
You get that out of the creek up there by...
Okay, guys.
I ain't telling.
Okay. I said I'd be by chat with you later.
See you later.
All right.
Hi, Miss Betty. How you doing?
I'm doing very well, Miss Diana. What's this I hear about your husband being
guys?
against the temperance movement?
I don't know. You know how the men
I
folk
need the
are.
crossroads cleared out. So I need you guys over here, please. You can move like around here, but I need this whole area cleared out. Guys, I'm gonna need you.
Your family's down there.
There's a bench over here, sweetheart. There's a bench over here. We need another. Is there a bench right here?
Yeah, there's
It's already taken. Yeah.
Okay. No. I was just checking to make sure because we can bring another one over here later too.
Can that one be brought over? Once you get that one brought over there,
Huh?
can that one be brought over? Or is it permanent?
Well, I would rather have like one of the wooden ones beside that guy, or
All right.
I don't know if that gray one is screwed down, but that would be cool too to have. You
I
know,
mean, well, of course those.
I think those are screwed.
Yeah.
I think. Well, can you go up and see if that's screwed? Just look it up, see if it's screwed. Because if not, we really don't need it up there. We can. We have this bench if we need to set. Or I can bring out the rocking chairs too.
That's a good idea. Yeah, they're screwed.
That's what I thought.
Nobody can take off with them.
Sweetheart, can I have you everybody to the edge of the crossroads, okay? Over here.
Alcohol have permeated our society. Cease to imbibe. Take the pledge.
Hey guys, we're getting ready to do a skit, so if I can have you step back here. We're not going to have any shooting in this skit, but just have you step back.
touch thicker, she'll never touch mine.
I need you up here.
Not a word out of you either.
I'll drink to that. Oh, and Diane.
What?
Hey, Diane, we got some big trouble in town.
What's going on?
Your daughter, she's been with that boy.
What's going on?
I think she's been doing something. She is with child.
Oh my gosh, my daughter's with child?
Yes.
Oh no. I think I need a drink. Oh, you got anything? Oh my.
Now I think it's people like you that are ruining our society. You want to force.
Oh, you got anything stronger?
Yeah.
Miss Arnold,
Oh,
that's not medicinal.
it is today.
Today.
In the quantity, it is medicinal,
I can't get it open. I need it. Hurry
Let me
up.
help you.
I can't get it open.
It'll cure anything.
I cannot believe
I don't care what ails you.
this is Arnold drinking on the public street.
Oh, she has every reason to.
Oh,
And if you Hughes could raise a child right, we wouldn't need to be.
I beg your pardon, Miss
Oh.
Arnold. How dare you accuse our family of not being upstanding?
I think I need to go tell. I think I need to tell her dad.
James,
We got some nose.
that Hughes boy has got your daughter in a bad way.
Oh,
What are you going to do about it?
You mean she's with child?
Yes.
That Hughes, that no good lying thieving Hughes boy?
Yes.
You got my baby girl messed up? What? Hey, I just heard your boy just got my daughter.
We need to make an honest woman out of you.
That's the first time I've heard about this.
Well, now Paul's going to kill him.
Oh, we ain't going to kill him.
If you need a job, I might be able to fix you up.
Oh, you need to get on out of here. She's going to be a respectable woman.
she's gonna be respected.
You ain't inspected anything.
Hey, Becky. Hey, Becky. I have a question for you, though. If she's with child, how can she be respectable already? I mean, she just kind of...
The boy
If he
dishonored
does
her.
right by her, then they will both become respectable.
You expect him to do that?
Well, if there's enough loading a rifle, he will.
Oh, let's go.